What you doing? Evie. Say hi. Evie here is another rescued kitty. She looks a lot like Scooter, but she's not related to him. She's the clown of the family. Always doing funny things. Always getting into play fights with the other cats. Quite a stinker she is. What are you doing? It's a little wet outside, so she's staying in. She don't mind though. She loves looking out this window. You do? You love looking out the window? Now she's climbing on top of the dryer. Okay. Always moving somewhere, aren't you? Always on the move. She's not a kitten. She's actually a very tiny cat. She's about 3 years old, I think. Very feisty little creature. But we love her. I love you too. Okay, Evie. I gotta stop the video. Goodbye. Goodbye.